You might have seen him in another video.
This is my first YouTube video on Gorilla
But
Tag.
now we're friends.
I'm going to try to get Finger Painter one day. I hope you like it. Today we're playing Monkey in the Shelf, so let's get right into it.
Here we go.
Yeah, we were enemies, but now we're friends.
Yeah.
Oh!
Restart. We have to restart.
Oh, okay.
Who's it? He's it. Let's go. Alright, Savannah.
Right.
Savannah, come on. Come. Up here.
Monkey in the Shelf for my first video.
Jace, it's
Yo,
Sabine.
come up here.
Sabine.
Green, up here.
Yeah,
on the shelf.
Savannah.
Up here.
Up here. Up here.
Alright. Okay,
What
so
are you
I'm gonna
doing?
delete this.
So you can't touch that. You can't touch that.
And you can't touch the ground.
And you can't touch the ground too. Alright, this is not a hard round. Okay, Savannah lost. Not a hard round. Oh, and Savannah. Uh-oh.
I'm stuck.
Give her another
No,
try. Give her
you're
another
fine when you're going back. You're fine when you're going back.
I know.
We'll give
I
you.
won.
You can do it.
I won. I already
Go
won.
back. Go back.
Over here.
Okay, you guys can go back. Come on, Sabines, you can do this.
Let's go.
What? Good job.
Back.
Okay,
Now
then
we
you can
gotta
go
go
back.
back.
You don't. It's
But you-
fine. You can go.
Yeah, you could touch the ground when you go back.
Okay. Next thing I delete is this.
Bro, guys, just let green cheat. It really doesn't matter.
Boom.
Wait, what
I
do you
delete
delete?
this.
Oh, snap. Alright.
What the?
Hey, Gabe. Let's go. No, not you. You know me. I'm the goat at this.
Yeah. There's 2 Gabes in the server. My goodness.
What?
Alright, wait, what's your name? I'll just call you Mushroom.
Yeah, you can just go.
Oh, nice. Come on. Back.
Wait, Gabe, did you even go?
You still need to do it.
Gabe,
You
did
still
you
do
even
it.
go?
Yeah, you. You need to still go.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
We're doing
You
second
need to go.
round.
Did you forget to go?
I delete this.
Oh, man.
You're out.
Just
He already
Just
he
let
already
him fall.
deleted that. Gabe, he already deleted that before.
Yeah, he deleted this. And
Dude, I can't hear anything. Can you turn the vacuum off for a second?
Gabe.
I have to get off though. So, I have to
Wait,
go.
boy.
So, I'm gonna. Yeah, again, bro.
Bye, Gabe. Okay, what are you deleting next?
Wait, did you,
Okay.
bro? Did you make a video?
I'm making one. I'm making one.
He disconnected.
I'm making
You
a video
wait,
right now.
What do you delete?
Okay, I delete.
Wait. I'm making
I
a
delete
video right
this.
now. I'm making a video right now.
Alright.
Oh, I made it.
Made it.
Sir. Okay, the next thing I delete is this.
Still possible.
You touched it.
Win it.
I already.
Alright.
I deleted this. Okay, don't tag anyone, okay? Sabine. No,
Don't-
don't
no,
tag
no,
him,
no,
no. No.
Don't tag. No, Savannah. Don't tag.
Don't tag, dog.
Oh.
All right.
So,
Okay, what do you delete?
bro, I
But-
didn't delete something yet.
I know. I'm leaving.
Oh, you are?
I'm gonna join a different lobby.
Alright, peace out.
Wait, hold on.
Before
Hold
you
on.
go, I'm gonna tag you all.
I need to say shout out to you because I'm doing my video.
I missed. He's actually breaking the spangles. I want you to get out. Alright,
Alright.
peace out. Wait,
Alright.
wait, hold on. What's your YouTube channel?
It's the same as look in Gabe's YouTube channel's subscriptions. Then it'll say GHGG Gideon. Like, go to Gabe's YouTube channel and look at his subscriptions. One of those will be me. It's GHGG Gideon. Alright, I'll see you.
Alright.
I haven't made any
Alright, peace
videos
out.
yet. I haven't made any videos yet, but
Oh, did you just make a video or not?
you'll be in my first video.
I bet.
Alright. Alright.
Alright, bizarre.
Come on. Fist bump. Fist bump, everybody.
Fist bump. Yeah.
Alright.
See ya. Bye. Have a great time.
Bye.
Yeah.
Have a good
Bye
time.
bye.
Bye. Alright.
Later today you'll be in my video.
Alright.
Alright. So I'm just going to do some.
Yo, you're here.
Dude, is that the mini game?
Oh, bro, come. Rate my fit.
Rate your fit? Who said rate your
I
fit?
need to change that.
Yo, 38 stars.
Yeah, I understand that's fine, just a mask. I don't wear the mask.
No way, that didn't.
Yeah, don't worry.
Alright. Wait, where's last guy, guys?
Oh, you're daily?
Oh no, I lost tracking.
Where's my best friend?
Oh, he's right there.
I hate mini games too.
I had the 20. Oh, you're so annoying. Yeah.
Alright, good job.
You have any others? Oh, shoot, go. Come out here, quick. Come here.
Got paper airplane.
Green. Thank you. We will survive this together.
Alright, come on.
Yeah.
Alright. Do it. They don't care.
No, I fell.
Buddy, it's you.
Oh, shit.
Green.
Bye-bye.
Green, I'll meet you on Stump.
Alright, put it on different things.
Bro, what is your haircut?
Alright, let's take one. Whatever hat you have.
I only have
You have like
this.
you have this.
What are you doing?
You
Green,
have this.
green.
This.
What's up?
Green. The lava monkeys. They're coming.
Nothing aren't.
Right here. It's like this.
Not even there.
Right.
Not even there. Oh, you're so. Yeah.
Like you.
Is that you?
Is it yours?
I'll take that one.
I hate when people do that to me.
What's my name?
No.
I was too far in the air. I'll really try now. Oh, hey. Goofy gobbler.
No, I fell.
Why, Caleb? After I tagged you before you fell according to my
Hey.
calculations.
GG. Give me a fist bump. Yo, Green. Green's the last one alive.
It's my final good ball.
Wait, is it my green or is it good green or is it?
You're green.
It's my final good ball.
I ain't green.
Wait a minute. Paper airplane.
Yeah, I'll keep you muted if I ever come to a live with you, you'll be muted, okay? And like, I don't know.
that to go.
Okay?
Green.
Oh no. Oh, jump.
It's so hard.
Green, I'm sorry, buddy, it's me.
Cut off. Oh.
Right here.
Why do you do that? Nasty, bro. Oh crap! The child with the beanies.
Right here. I'm black. I'm black. Jeez, my art class.
Oh shit, I was gonna play one around, but.
She's in my exploratory.
Oh crap!
The degenerate.
Bye, Rodrigo.
How did you tag me? Hello. You tagged the.
Oh, what?
Over.
He juked me.
Meet again.
Oh, what the heck? Oh, shoot. It's not my fault.
I'm so sorry.
Tagged away. Oh my god.
Run, Freddy! Run! I gotta run.
This is red. It's red. That's not red.
No!
Red is for zero is. We're listening to a banger.
Oh, my hand! Hello.
Listening to a banger.
Dude, my hand's dead.
Good job.
I hit my kneecap.
Listening to Kratos just.
Your kneecap?
Hey, I'm the
Oh,
one
my
who's
kneecap.
No, I'm also dead. I'm surprised when I jumped off the top of the tree. No one noticed. What? How is that party hat not gotten anyone? What? Dang.
Alright. I think we should play some canyons.
Classified as good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, snowman.
Blue. Black.
Hey, I'm gonna make my. Hey, hello?
Look, it's a lot monkey. It's too long.
Hey, GG Blue. Give me a fist bump.
I heart Gorilla Tag. Come here.
Blue, you should get tagged.
That's gonna be it for today's video. See you later. Tomorrow maybe. Subscribe.